I made this Gamut marketing video using a Gamut agent to produce, render, and publish the video, and I wanted to show you how you can do that too. In the Gamut app here, I have an agent that produces all my videos for me. So you can actually look at the agent. Most videos that I make just start with a simple prompt, right? So I explain to it what I want to show in the video. In this case, it was accompanying a LinkedIn post. So I actually just gave it the LinkedIn post itself. I give it some ideas for the workflow and some of the things that I want to show in the video. I also told it to go to our website and look at the style there because I wanted to keep the video on brand. And I gave it some examples. This is a video that's just like a recording from our website, right? Because we had a cool animation there. And then I had some product screenshots here that I wanted to use inside the video. So I just gave it all of this for kind of content and inspiration. And you can see that it read them and then it started building out the video. The cool thing about the way that Gamut does it is it uses a library called Remotion. So the video is actually built as code. So as we go, we can continue customizing the video, changing the text, changing the workflow, and it's just a coding challenge for the agent itself. So it read all the content, it started building out the video. It actually, this is something that I found really cool. It went onto our website. So it visited the Gamut website and then it ran some JavaScript to find out exactly which fonts we're using, and then actually get all the brand colors directly from the CSS. So it built a complete brand guideline for using in this video. It actually asked me what aspect ratio and what resolution I want to use. For this case, it said 1080 by 1080 was the most ideal for LinkedIn, so I went with that. And it continued building the video, and you can see all the work that it does here. One of the things that I kind of found really cool is as it worked, it would build out the video script, then it would render it, and it would read specific slides or frames from the video to start seeing what's working well and what doesn't. So you can see it reads all those different frames from the video. It sees what works, but then it comes up with certain things that it needs to fix to make the video better. So it continuously ran in this loop and self-improve the video. And eventually it delivered a video to me. So it gave me an analysis of all the different frames or scenes in the video, as well as the video itself. Now, the cool thing with the Gamut app is once you actually get the video, I can play the preview right here. So I can see the video and I can actually leave comments for the agent. So if there's something that I don't like, I can say, hey, this is a little off, remove, right? So I can leave a comment for the agent, and you can see that all the comments are both timestamped and have a specific location in the video, so the agent can see exactly what I'm talking about. So we'll keep playing this. I can leave some other comments on the video, move this up, and once I'm I have all my comments here, I can actually submit them to the agent so it can go and improve the video based on that. So I did a few cycles of these improvements and eventually got a fully working video on brand and with the exact specific detail that I gave it or feedback that I gave it applied into the video. Now, the cool thing is this is just one specific style of video. I actually had it create a bunch of other videos for us. So this is one from yesterday where we wanted to create some demo videos showing how to connect Gamut to specific MCP servers. And you can see that this uses a completely different style, right? So these videos are much more like product demos. I actually had it pull the source code so then it can mimic the entire product environment inside those videos and then create an interactive demos for the product. So this is kind of the flexibility that you get with using the agent to build videos. Those came out really cool, I think, and it made it really easy to produce a bunch of them for the different MCPs that we support. So you can see it, and again, if we have any feedback, we can kind of post it directly at the video. So this is how we've been using Gamut to actually build product demo and marketing videos. I'll post the skill that you can use to bootstrap your Gamut agent and get it to start producing videos for you as well.